Okay, pull in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
You will follow someone. Now. Take him through the...
Wonder if he hits out of it. Keep that back up a little bit. Too far.
Take him into Barnet. You will follow someone. It's me.
Keep going. Doing really well.
Heads.
Belly flip.
You can't. Watch yourselves. Okay, get straight back into position. And get that DPS going. When you get your next shield, it's fine. Ulfi is in a few seconds. Ulfi is in 8 seconds.
It's an ad in the group when you get a chance.
Yep.
You will follow someone.
Following me, which is fine. Ned, can you run over to Moxie and give me your shield?
No, I already had to use it.
That's fine. Now the ads will come close to him, or he will go to the ads. You can't do anything about it. Just keep nuking him.
Heads up, Nid, you got lots of damage incoming whenever he comes off.
Get onto him. Keep going, keep going. Should have DNF. Keep it going, keep it going. Just keep it going. Keep focused. Banners down. Just keep it going. Good job, guys.
Belly
Keep
flip.
it.
Visible kill.
Okay, finish it. Marksy, take aggro off the main dragon. Run your ass off. Keep going. 7 million.
Keep going up.
Nid, use last stand to want everything.
No, do not fall.
You're up.
Thank you.
Finish him. Finish him. Yes! Well done, guys. Well done. Done legit.
So Yama got the lead and we killed it.
Yama got the lead. We killed
Do I
it.
get it right?
That's what was missing.